Greetings, guys. Today, we're here to explore another cool feature of QuickAds.ai, blog to video. So, let's start. We can see there's an option for blog to video under the video section of design. Let's check it out. Here we have the interface, where we can either paste a blog link or upload content manually. I'll be using a blog link from AMD for this example, as you can see. Next, we have the size option. I'll go with YouTube and Facebook long-form sizes. Below that, we've got the option for improvisation, so QuickAds can fine-tune the script for us. Let's move forward. QuickAds is now fetching relevant images from the URL to match the blog content. Now, we have this interface where we can choose how we want our video to look. We can select from stock images, stock videos, or AI-generated images. For now, I'll go with stock video. Next, we have an option to select video duration. I will go for more than 120-second video. Next, we have advanced settings, where we can further customize our video. I'll adjust it to fit my needs, and you can select based on your preferences. QuickAds is now generating a script for the video. And here we go. The script is ready. If you want a different version of the script, there's also an option to regenerate it. Let's move forward. QuickAds is now generating the video based on the script and assets we selected. Okay, we've got the video. And if you want to make changes, you can use QuickAds Advanced Editor to tweak the video to match your requirements. After finalizing the video, the last thing left is to download it. That's it for today, guys. Keep exploring these features to get the best out of QuickAds.ai, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.